What is the color of blood? You might say red because of your own blood, but the answer is more complex than you might think. In fact, the hue of blood depends on the mechanism by which a species delivers oxygen to their vital organs. We humans rely on red blood cells to transport oxygen molecules from our lungs to the rest of our body. Every red blood cell has a protein called hemoglobin that uses iron to bind oxygen molecules. When oxygen molecules bind to hemoglobin, the reaction between oxygen and iron gives red blood cells a red-orange hue. When the molecules unbind, the red blood cells become a shade of violet red. Unlike mammals, crustaceans do not have hemoglobin. Instead, they have hemocyanin, which contains copper instead of iron. When oxygen binds to hemocyanin, it reacts with copper to result in blue-colored blood. Compared to hemoglobin, hemocyanin binds more readily to oxygen. Hemocyanins are free-floating and do not reside within cells. This allows them to move in higher quantities. These characteristics enable hemocyanin to pick up more oxygen than hemoglobin in low oxygenated environments where crustaceans live. The Antarctic icefish lives in cold, oxygen-rich waters. One of the ways the icefish promotes oxygen flow in these environments is through its physical adaptations. It has gills and scaleless skin to increase the amount of oxygen absorbed into the body, and its larger heart and capillaries can pump higher volumes of blood per heartbeat compared to other fish. But the icefish does not have hemoglobin or hemocyanin. Because it doesn't have any metals that bind to oxygen, it has clear blood, and the absence of any oxygen-carrying proteins allows for the icefish's thinner blood to easily flow through its capillaries. In all, the color of an organism's blood depends on its unique circulatory system and specific living environment. Our blood's red hue is just one color of the spectrum.